Instead of buying multiple phones, juggling devices on your desk, or constantly switching accounts, forget slow emulators or basic browser profiles. Imagine controlling actual cloud-based Android devices that behave like real phones directly from your computer. You can seamlessly manage multiple social media accounts, generate AI content, automate repetitive tasks, and synchronize actions across all devices at once. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we're taking a look at GeeLark and exploring how its cloud phone platform can help streamline Android-based workflows. The whole architecture of GeeLark revolves around something called cloud phones. Think of these as Android devices running remotely in the cloud. When I created a new profile and launched a cloud phone, it felt surprisingly similar to opening a real Android device. One thing I found interesting is that GeeLark supports multiple Android versions, allowing you to choose the environment that best matches your needs. Once the cloud phone launches, you can interact with it just like a normal smartphone. Open apps, browse websites, log into platforms, install software. Everything happens remotely through your computer. And because each cloud phone operates independently, you can keep separate workflows organized without constantly switching devices. For anyone managing multiple projects or accounts, this creates a much cleaner setup compared to having several physical phones on your desk. After launching the cloud phone, I wanted to see how easy it was to install applications. GeeLark includes a built-in app store where you can browse and install apps directly into your cloud phones. The process feels very similar to using a normal mobile device. And if an application isn't available in the store, GeeLark also supports APK uploads, which adds additional flexibility. This becomes especially useful if you're working across multiple platforms and need the same apps available across several cloud phones. Now let's talk about one of the most interesting features inside GeeLark, the synchronizer. This feature allows you to mirror actions performed on one cloud phone across multiple devices simultaneously. Watching multiple cloud phones respond at the same time is honestly one of those moments that immediately makes you understand the value of the platform. Instead of repeating the same action over and over, GeeLark can replicate your workflow across several devices. For creators, agencies, and teams handling multiple projects, this can significantly reduce repetitive work. And visually, it's probably one of the coolest parts of the platform. The next area I wanted to test was automation. GeeLark includes several automation tools, including RPA workflows, synchronization tools, and developer APIs. For most users, the easiest place to start is with the built-in automation templates. The platform provides ready-made templates for popular platforms and common workflows. What's nice is that you don't need to build everything from scratch. You can start with existing templates and then customize them based on your own workflow. This is especially useful when repetitive actions start consuming too much of your time. The goal here isn't replacing creativity. It's reducing repetitive manual work so you can focus more on strategy and content creation. Although GeeLark is primarily known for its cloud phones and automation capabilities, it also includes AI-powered tools. Inside the library section, you'll find content generation features that can help create images and videos. There's also an AI assistant integrated into the platform that can answer questions and help users navigate GeeLark's features. I wouldn't consider the AI tools the main reason to use GeeLark, but they're definitely useful additions that complement the overall workflow. So instead of switching between different AI platforms, you can create content directly inside the GeeLark ecosystem. You can generate images simply by describing your idea with a text prompt. If you already have an image, you can turn it into an animated video. And if you're starting from scratch, you can even generate videos directly from text. That makes it much easier to create visual content for social media, marketing campaigns, product showcases, or short-form videos, all without leaving the platform. So GeeLark isn't just helping you manage cloud phones, it's also helping you create the content you'll eventually publish through those workflows.
Welcome to your complete AI ecosystem, where every process is seamless, secure, and verified. This is the future of productivity.
After spending time with the platform, I think GeeLark makes the most sense for 4 groups. First, content creators managing multiple social media projects. Second, agencies handling client accounts and workflows. Third, e-commerce sellers working across multiple stores and regions. And fourth, teams that need a centralized environment for managing mobile-based operations. The biggest advantage isn't necessarily any single feature. It's having cloud phones, app management, automation tools, synchronization, and AI features available within one platform. Overall, GeeLark offers a unique approach to managing Android-based workflows from your computer. The cloud phones are easy to launch, the synchronization feature is genuinely impressive, and the automation tools can help streamline repetitive tasks. If you'd like to explore GeeLark for yourself, I'll leave the official link down in the description so you can check it out. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.